The university should never lose sight of its importance in the pursuit for truth. Universities around the world are facing a daunting challenge where they are not just being questioned, but that intrusion is being made into the space where the universities should be, which is the universities should pursue academic freedom, and that the efforts that we had seen elsewhere in attacking the universities, including, by the way, defunding universities because the universities are not standing the cause of other people. And I think it's very important that universities stand up and for academic freedom. Don't take it for granted. We fought hard for academic freedom, and should it be taken away from us, our futures do it. Well, I see myself really as a sounding board and playing support to the Vice-Chancellor. Remember, I am not the executive here. It is the responsibility of the university leadership to drive the transformation of the university and to achieve the goals that the university has actually set for itself. I'm cognizant of the fact that I am a chancellor of a university with a fairly challenging history, and it is a history that the university had confronted with vigor. That based on the chart that the university had set itself, you could actually see the progress that has been made. Earlier in the year, I presided over the graduation ceremony, and I saw the areas of focus of the research students that were graduating, and it was very clear to me that they are rooted in society. They were addressing real problems in our South African society, and I think that the university should continue on that road.